Hello, you are watching So She Designs and Thrift. My name is Shalisa, and in today's video, we are going to do part 2 of my Hobby Lobby haul for the 99-cent pattern sale. If this is something you're interested in, please stay tuned. Okay guys, if you have been watching this video, I had on the same thing. I did a little batch filming, but my name is Shalisa again, and this is So She Designs. This is a haul video from Hobby Lobby where the McCalls and Nomi patterns are on sale for 99 cents. This video, I am showing some patterns that I just thought that I needed to add to my stash. I am wearing a thrifted tank. Nothing special. It looks black on the video, but it is a deep brown, as well as I'm wearing shorts that I actually made from a Vogue pattern, and I love this pattern. I love it so much. When Vogue goes on sale, I need to get this, like 2 of these. But I love this pattern. I love these shorts. I love the top that I made with them until a lady congratulated me on having a baby, and I had already had the baby in the year 2000, so that wasn't gonna work, so I stopped wearing the shirt. But I love the shorts. They're very comfortable. Anywho, let's get started with the video so I can show you what I picked up that I felt like I had to have it in my stash. The first one is going to be McCall 7975. I like this shirt. It just looks so comfortable. And I like the little detail in this shirt. And I thought it was really, really nice. It is rated as easy. And let's see. And it is for knits. Cute, 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 cute. Next, let's go with McCall 7876. I thought this was a nice pattern. This looked like it should have been like a relaxed fit for work or something like that. I just like it. This, the pants and the jacket. I thought it was really nice. So this is McCall 7876, and it is also rated as easy. Next, I got McCall 6800. This one, Rochelle Handmade Designs, featured on her video when she was doing a comparison to a new Vogue pattern. And this was one of the ones that she featured, and I thought this was really, really nice. But let me show you. She featured this one as well. So these are kind of similar. This one's probably more my favorite, but I love them both. This one is rated as easy. Next, we have like a poncho, and I just love to make a poncho. And I thought this one was really cute. And it was a Learn to Sew pattern, and this is McCall 7202. Really, really cute. I thought this was just nice to have in my stash. I actually love this view right here with the scarf attached. I felt like that was cute. This is a shirt dress pattern, as well as the shirt. Really cute. And this is McCall 7387. I think this is adorable. One of the things I would love to start making or try to make is some formal wear. So I thought this was very cute, and it was versatile. Like you can make it with a sleeve, without a sleeve, sleeveless, strapless. It was versatile, so I picked this up, and this is McCall 7320. So I thought this would be a nice pattern for me to try my hand at making formal wear. Really cute. I picked up this dress because number one, it was a Nancy Zeman pattern. Number two was a wrap dress. And the wrap dress pattern that I want, I have not just broken down to pay $25 for it. So for 99 cents, I picked up this this pattern, and it is easy, and it's for knits. But I thought it was really cute anyway. Like I said, it was a Nancy Zeman pattern, so I wasn't about to leave it. I got both sizes. I thought this was so cute. Like, really? You could just wear this anywhere. This is McCall 7408. I just thought this was so cute. I have nothing else to say about it. It's just adorable. So this would be really cute in the summertime. And I got the bigger sizes. This one is large through X large, XXL. And so there was a XX small to medium, I think. It's this other package. Now this is cute. I got this for the crop because I plan on doing a crop upcycle, and I said, okay, now we have a guide. So this is McCall's 8011. Really, it's a really cute jacket, and it's rated as easy. Next, I have another Learn to Sew pattern, and I love a bang for my buck. This has so many options in here, and I believe this is for knits. Yep, and this is a knit pattern, and I love this. I love a long dress, and a long dress does not love me. It just makes me look stumpy, but I love long dresses. That was McCall 7122. Now this is a two-piece McCall 7168. And you know what? I bought it for the bottoms because at some point I'm going to make my own underwear. And that's all this is. But in case I was to make a two-piece, what I would make is this with this. And that was McCall 7168. Let's see. This is rated. It doesn't say if it's easy or not. Okay. So this is a leg warmers, stockings, boot covers, and arm warmers and gloves. There's a lot in this pattern. But I purchased this because I don't have this in my stash at all. This is McCall 7397. So I was like, if I want to do formal wear, I can make the long gloves to go with it if I want to. Those boot covers are cute. And I just seen a young lady make boot covers, DIY boot covers, and they were really cute. She did a good job. So I picked this up. I do not have this in my stash. Sometimes those costume patterns can come out really, really handy, guys. I thought that would be just cute to have. Now, I have did a bustier collaboration with Osset of Osset Stitch Treasures, Lara from Sewing Up Style, as well as Grace from Sew Love with Grace. We did this one time, but I found another pattern that I think I want to try. And this is McCall 7339. Don't that look nice? It doesn't say if it's easy or not. I guess if it's boning, people don't consider that easy. The boning wasn't the hardest part to me, though. Anyway, I thought that was beautiful. I like how it comes up. I feel like that gives it more support. And then it comes low right here. And I'm assuming you could probably make it go up a little bit or bring this up if you wanted to. But I like that. I love that version. That's really nice. So next we have McCall 7332, a cardigan, easy. Is this, oh, this is for lightweight woven. Really cute. Really cute. I love all the views on here. Yeah, really nice. And it's woven, so that makes it even easier. I love this. This is for Learn to Sew pattern as well. This is for knits. It is all the sizes. No, it's not all the sizes. This is another large to the XXL, and the other one had like the extra small to the medium in it. And this is McCall 7476. But you can see everything is really adorable and cute. I think this is my favorite though. Why, I don't know. Why do I like short sleeve cover-ups? I have no idea. Now, I am a Brandy Joan fan, simply because I made one of her outfits and I feel like it fitted nicely. And I just like it. But I like her style. So these are Brandy Joan patterns. This is McCall's 8437. These are overalls. Now, do I intend to make these? Probably not. But in case I do, I wanted it in my stash because I don't have an overall pattern. And so for 99 I picked it up. I have another Brandy Joan pattern, and I think this is so freaking cute. I love this version right here. McCall's 8383. And it is for knits. It says that it's average, guys, but I'll see. I love that. I think that is really cute. This, I picked this up because I thought it was cute. I thought it was outside the box for me. But from time to time, my daughters may ask me for something. And I said, well, this may be something they like. But this is a Brandy Joan as well. The bust area is a little too low for me. And I'm sure I can make something to go right there. But other than that, I really do like the dress, especially the long length. It is rated as average. And this is McCall 8382. And last but certainly not least, this is when I was on the fence when patterns were on sale for what, $2.99, $1.99. This is a bodysuit or a top pattern. I think it's cute. I don't know if I will make the bodysuit, but I feel like it's nice to have a bodysuit in your wardrobe. I do have two, a nude and a black. So I think I'm pretty good. If I wanted another, it would probably be a white or a cream. But I think this one is pretty nice. And this is made out of a net as well. And this is McCall's 8407. And this one is a size 8 to 16, so I didn't get the largest size. So those are all the patterns that I picked up from the Hobby Lobby sale. Like I said, they have the McCall's and Nomi patterns on sale for 99 cents until they're all gone. I did go back another day, but I guess that was the pattern voices telling me to go away, because when I went to go look at the patterns another day, I was trying to look at a few patterns that I didn't get to, but there was already another young lady there, and she was doing the same thing I was doing. She wasn't like, why go through the book? We just opened the drawers and looked to see what we wanted. So there, I didn't want to keep saying excuse me or whatever. So I just got what I needed to really get out of Hobby Lobby that day, and I left. So I didn't go back and get any more. Like I say, I do have enough patterns. So, but those that I did find, I think those are gonna be all that I get on that trip. Maybe if I go back in and there's one or two stragglers and I look and they like, oh, I need this in my life, I might get them. But other than that, I'm pretty satisfied with my haul. I think in total I got about 30 patterns. So that's enough because I went overboard when they had the when they did this with New Look. I think I bought 60, if not more. But yeah, I am so happy with my haul. Like I said, I did break this up into 2 videos. The first one were duplicate patterns of ones that I needed in the larger size. And today's haul were just patterns that I just felt like I needed to add to my stash. As always, guys, you are so special to me. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. And preferably, I'll be working on my dress and my vintage belt to match. So that's what I'm going to next. All right, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.